Good morning, YouTube. We are offloaded here in Slidell, Louisiana. I just woke up, obviously. So, paperwork is signed. Golly, allergies. Paperwork is signed. Still haven't found a load. So I'm going to sit here and do so, hopefully. So y'all roll that intro and we'll see what today looks like. Welcome back, guys. So we are here in, where in the world are we? Port Beanville, Mississippi. About 30 minutes away from where was where I greeted you guys this morning. We're picking up a load. It's going to Midland, Texas, West Texas. They had posted it on the load board, so I couldn't find nothing else because it's the day of, and trying to find a load out of Louisiana has been brutal. So I have to take what I can find. So this load picks up, I think they wanted 22 for it on the board, and then I saw it increase to 23. No, it was like 21 on the board. And then I saw it increase to 22. I was like, okay, I got some negotiating room here. So I called it in. I was like, hey, that is an interesting truck. Anyway, so I called it in. I was like, hey, can y'all do 25 on this load? And so he's called me back. He's like, can we do 24? It's a direct customer. So usually these rates are set. However, we need this load moved. And it's an 11 a.m. appointment. And when I called him, it was like 9:30ish. I said, well, I'm 30 minutes away, dude. I can go pick it up right now. He's like, can you do 24 for it? I said, yes, I can do 24. But today is Tuesday. It don't deliver till Thursday. So I have two options. Deliver it on Thursday and still do my $1,200 a day in revenue. It's 2,400 divided by 2 days. It's $1,200 in revenue. Or shoot it straight there tomorrow, which he said if I can get there tomorrow, they might go ahead and take me early tomorrow. And I can get $2,400 overnight. So, okay, let's see. Where's my other glove at? Oh, here it is. Anyway, got what I was saying. But yeah, Midland, Texas, middle of nowhere. But he did say, I mean, I know I shouldn't believe him, but he said it's a direct customer of his. So they have freight that comes out of there. So I guess I'm taking product out there, and then I'm taking our solution out there for whatever product they make, and then they have finished product that comes out. And he said he might have something that goes down to the Houston area for about $1,000 to $1,100 coming out of there. So we'll see. He didn't want to make any promises because, I mean, we know how it goes. I told him either way, I'll have to deadhead out of there or prayerfully find something. And where can I throw this away at? But it is not a hazmat load, so thankfully for that. And then coming through here from Louisiana, DOT is hot. This load is only about 40,000 pounds, right under it. Like I said, it pays $2,400. I can get it there tomorrow. I'll have to do some real good driving today, but we can get there tomorrow. All right. Let's crank this thing up. All right, come on. But yeah, I got desperate to find a load. Trying to find something coming out was brutal the past couple of days. So I have to take what I can get. But I don't know if I'm gonna have it there. That's what I was saying earlier. I can have it there tomorrow, get my $2,400 overnight. Or I might go home. The wife isn't feeling well. So I might be going home to check up on her. Make sure she's got medicine and everything that she needs. All right, let's see here. How far are we from Midland, Texas? All right, which wants us to take 12. Okay, yeah, take 49 up to 20 and take 20 all the way. Yeah, okay. Or I can take I-10. I can jump on 45. We'll see, we'll see. But we are going to creep over here just in case it takes forever. But I had an 11 a.m. appointment. It is 10, so we'll be getting loaded early. Let's see, I'll get out of here by noon. I have about 10 hours of driving, park by 10, get my hours back by 8. Yeah, I can get there by 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. Noon at the latest. And get this stuff off the truck. But we're gonna have to do some running to knock that out. But not hazmat, thankful for that. We don't have the harass me stickers on the truck. Well, we will be talking here in a little bit, guys, once I get to the dock. About the topic of today's video. About some news that I found out. All right, so she said to pull in this way. Can I make it over this little stump here? Let's see, gun it. There we go. There's a bunch of freight going down to Florida, I guess due to the hurricane. All right, tanker yanker, which way are you? You coming my way? All right, so she said to pull in this way. And dude, I am making a right. Ooh, this is gonna be a crap show. Get all these trucks moving around everywhere. Yeah, but thankfully you can go ahead and get us loaded early. It's always a good start of the day. But yeah, parked on site last night at the receiver. Did she say dock 1? I think she said dock 1. Or did she say dock 2? Maybe she put it on my paper here. Please give this to the... Dang it, it's not on here. Maybe she said dock 1 or 2. I'm gonna go for dock 2. Or did she say dock 1? I think she said dock 1. That's interesting. The signs over there say back in parking only. Guess to make sure there's no trucks moving back and forth. Did she tell me to slide my tandems? Is he sliding them slid? No? Okay. He just came out of 2, so I think she told me 1. I think we're a hair off. Yeah, I don't know what's going on this week, but it's been a struggle trying to find loads. I know the port is doing their whole, the port is going on strike. All the ports from Brownsville, Texas, up to I think Maine or Massachusetts, something like that. Port workers have gone on strike, and so freight coming in and out of the U.S., you know, by boat, you know, is limited, or at halt, I should say. So I know that impacts it. And then also with the hurricane. All right. So, let me turn the truck off so y'all can hear me. So, as y'all know, we had a 2013 Volvo with the Cummins engine, 13-speed transmission that we were adding to our fleet. Adding along with this truck here. Y'all know we got a driver potentially lined up for this one. And so the other truck was gonna be the Volvo. As you all also know, there was a hurricane that just hit land this past week. Hurricane Helene, I believe it's pronounced. That hit Florida, Georgia, I think parts of Alabama, North Carolina, South Carolina. Worked its way up. I reached out to the owner of the Volvo, you know, to make sure he was okay, because they live out there in the Atlanta area. Well, no, I had asked for pictures of the Volvo. That's what it was, for a video I was doing. And he informed me that the lot that the Volvo is parked on is flooded and that there are trees everywhere. So let me kind of explain what we were going to do. So the owner of that Volvo is a buddy of mine, fellow YouTuber, who goes by the name of Frank Nitty. Frank Nitty, he's also a YouTuber, good dude, good business owner, entrepreneur. It's his truck. And what Frank was going to do was basically give me all rights to the truck and find a driver and put in that truck and have me run that truck, you know, put a driver in it. You know, same thing I'm doing with this truck. And then maybe work out a lease purchase on the truck, you know, for somebody who might have driven the truck and liked it and wanted to buy it. That was the plan. But he just informed me that the truck has probably been totaled out due to the storm. And right in the middle of our paperwork process of adding the truck to our Landstar fleet. We were just waiting on a few things to be to be finalized. And this is after, title transfer, $22.90, and, him putting all that money into the truck. Repairs that he's put into the truck already. I'm not sure if he put the new tires all the way around it already. But after doing all that, from what it sounds like, the truck is probably going to be totaled out. And y'all know Frank also has a Freightliner, FLD, that he's been working on too. I'm not going to really talk about that truck, but just know that they're all parked on the same lot. I'll let him kind of discuss that kind of stuff. That's his truck. But the Volvo, he was going to add on to my fleet. As it was my truck, I can run it how I want to, put whoever I want in the truck. He was just going to contract the truck to me, and I was going to do whatever I wanted with the truck. Maybe even bought the truck from him. I don't know. But so yeah, guys, our truck's totaled, from what it sounds like. I don't think it's been completely assessed, or had a insurance appraiser come out there or not. But I haven't seen pictures of it yet. But from what he tells me, if it's not totaled from being flooded out, it's been totaled due to trees falling, all over the place. So I'll get more news later as time goes on. Frank's a truck driver also, so trying to correlate schedules is difficult enough. But y'all go check out Frank's channel, Frank Nitty. He'll probably give an update on his channel too. But yeah, so the Volvo that we were adding to the fleet was his truck. And he was just gonna give me the rights to it, run it how I want to, do whatever I wanted with it. We had some stuff worked out, with that truck. But sounds like it's been totaled. So had that hurricane waited like another week, because the plan was I was jumping on a flight to go out there and get it and drive it home and work it out from there. Had a hurricane waited at least one more week. But we just waiting to get everything finalized, the paperwork, like I said, title transfers, 2290s. Well, insurance is already taken care of, but registration, and all that stuff before we, LoneStar paperwork, the lease paperwork. We were just waiting to get all that stuff finalized before we move the truck. And it sounds like it might be totaled out. But prayers for everybody in Florida, Georgia, Alabama, North Carolina, South Carolina. I've been looking for freight on the load board that I can, do my due diligence, even reefer freight. I've seen some reefer freight that I can haul out there to, bring food and water, and medicine, out there to you guys. But I don't know what the roads are like out there as far as even getting it to you. And then, putting myself in a situation. I've seen like I-40 has been shut down due to it crumbling from the flood, to water and everything. And so I've been trying to find a way to help, any way I can as far as taking freight out there. But even with FEMA, I talked to them too, but I missed the deadline on that. I was even doing some FEMA stuff. But yeah, guys. But I'm still looking, still trying to find a way to help out if I can. Then with my wife being sick, and trying to stay around for that, to make sure she's okay. So, because it sounds like she may, I don't want to say COVID, but she's had a few symptoms that are similar to COVID, and her trying to take care of the 4 kids and stuff. That's why I might go home tonight. I'm gonna kind of play it by ear. But if she sounds like she's doing okay and it's not COVID and, she can kind of maintain, I'll shoot straight out to Midland and get this load off of us tomorrow. But yeah, guys, just wanted to give you guys that update. So we will be, Frank and I will be doing some stuff later together. If it doesn't work out with the Volvo, if it is totaled out, and we're just going to find something to replace it later. But just wanted to give you guys that update on what's going on with that. They're getting us loaded. I can see the totes back there. Thankfully, they're not hazmat. I confirmed with them. And we should be out of here shortly. All right, people, we are loaded. Okay. Easy enough. I don't think I need my straps, but let's see how they load these things. They're not hazmat. So I don't need to strap down my singles. I probably should have strapped them down anyway, but yeah, I probably should have strapped them down. But they wouldn't let me on a dock while they were loading, so you know how that goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let me go grab 8 straps. Whoom. They are all strapped down. I didn't need these back here because of this, but hey, who's it gonna hurt? Talk about low securement. Over securement, some of y'all might say. But if you've never hauled these things before, they surge and they shift and they're heavy. I am speaking on that from experience. So it's a peace of mind knowing that they are not gonna go anywhere. Oh, we're gonna clear. Sweet. All right, gotta get my seal and get out of here. Yeah, but that 20 minutes I just spent doing that may have saved my trucking career. Even though it's not a hazmat load, and I didn't have to do that, I mean, why not? Peace of mind, I know they're not going anywhere. Product will get there safely. I will get there safely. People around me will get to their destination safely. Some might say it's over securement. Now these totes, they shift. If you've never hauled them before, if you don't haul hazmat, and if you don't haul tanker, don't comment down below. If you don't even have your tanker endorsement, don't comment on your thoughts of the securement of this load. But if you have hauled these things before, comment down below. How do you usually secure them down? But yeah, hazmat, if you have a hazmat endorsement, if you're hauling a hazmat load, that is how you're supposed to secure them down. Get this in there. There we go. So yeah, extra 20 minutes and some sweat, a little perspiration. Never hurt anybody. Could have saved my trucking career, because had that stuff spilled, oh, whoo, hazmat or not, you're in trouble. So always go above and beyond. Make sure the customer's happy. Make sure the customer gets their product in one piece, no issues. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about. Do your job, do it well, go the extra step, whether somebody's watching you or not. Like, I could have not secured that load, and it probably would have got there, fine. Nobody would have seen anything or been able to criticize anything, but the peace of mind goes a long way, in the long run. So anyway, let's roll, y'all.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. A good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
What's going on, driver? quick stop for some fuel. Quick stop to get weighed. Weight looks good. There he is, y'all. So how's LoneStar treating you, sir? Still good?
LoneStar is treating me like family, not a stepchild.
Oh, okay. LoneStar themselves, or you booking your loads and stuff?
The money part.
The money part? So the money's treating you like family over here. Okay.
Yeah, I feel the love.
You making more money over here or Creek? Over here.
Yeah, sorry, I just had a twister, guys.
I caught him off guard, y'all.
Pull this camera out. And I started laughing because I realized I'm wearing a gray shirt again.
Is that the same gray shirt?
No, I got 3 of them. So
Okay. Okay. But you've been home more than me, huh?
I don't know about more than you. You've been doing it a little bit on LoneStar more.
No, I mean in the past like 2 months.
Oh, my family, they're tired of me.
Oh, tired of you already?
I get home, my daughter comes downstairs, hey, how you doing, Dad? And goes back to what you do, like, what's it? That's it?
Dang, that's it?
Like, well,
We
I
see
just
you
saw
all the time
last
now.
week. No.
Yeah. Wow.
But at the same time, when I first started doing this, she's 13 now, so she was what, 8 or 9?
Mm-hmm.
And so when I first went on the road, she was taking it really hard. And she was crying for me all the time. I was on the phone with her a lot. You know, I even bought her a map. So whenever I was going somewhere, we had little pins. She would pin it to where, you know, that's going to be at. And
now she's like, get out of here, go make some money.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and by the way, I'm not daddy no more. I'm dad.
Oh,
Yeah.
shorted. Wow.
Because, you know, 13, she's growing up.
Yep.
Strictly against it.
Yeah. So I'm guessing the family's liking the LoneStar money and the LoneStar home time and stuff?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
But I'm not, because I go home and, you know, every time you go home,
Spend money.
they want to do stuff.
Yep. Yeah.
I mean, I don't like being out for 6 weeks, don't get me wrong.
Mm-hmm.
I enjoy home time, but sometimes I think I learn self-discipline, you know. I learn to say no.
Right. So what do you think about the new look on the truck?
Shoot, that thing is sweet. Looks up, looks like somebody stepped up.
That's what happens when I get bored on a weekend. I spend money. Like you just said, spend money. But all right, well I know you gotta go. You're on a time crunch.
Actually, yeah. My break is over.
Yeah.
Gotta get up to Atlanta.
Yep. All right, we'll catch you on the next one, sir.
All right, y'all take it easy.
All right. All right, so I came over to the Walmart to get some lunch meat, and now we are back on the road. So let's roll, y'all.
Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, here we go, here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it goes up. Yeah, we're gonna live a good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. I saw you when you passed me by, girl. Listen, baby, it ain't no lie, girl. And I can't deny that you're sexy with that booty caught my eye, girl. Listen, you don't have to be the shy, girl. I'm not a player, no, I'm not the guy, girl. Listen, yeah, I know that we could fly up in the sky, a place we could try, girl. Yeah, you know that I've been around this time, look up and down for some to play with. Yeah, I know I finally found you, girl. I feel like found you, girl. You got me. We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life.
see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top from the basement. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
I don't know what this car is doing in front of us, but I'm going to hang out behind them with my flashers on, make sure they get off the interstate safely. First they had their flashers on, they're going about 25 in a 70 mile per hour ordeal. Come on, please get off the interstate, please get off. Please get off. You cannot go 25 on the interstate. What are you doing? Please get off the interstate. Please. Please. Come on. I'm gonna call 911, y'all. No, I want to report a possible drunk driver. On I-20 going westbound. I cannot tell you. Yes, I'm behind him in an 18-wheeler. It is a silver-colored Nissan SUV. Looks like it has a temp tag. Coming up on Campus Drive. I'm sorry. Okay, give me 1 second. Trying to get my, All right, can you hear me? They got me on hold. I don't know what happened, guys. They got me on hold. Come on, car. What are you doing? Hi, I want to report a possible drunk driver. I'm on I-20 going westbound, coming up on exit 439 at Campus Drive. Yeah, well, I'm passing up the campus exit now. I'm behind them in an 18-wheeler with my flashers on. But they're going between 20 and 25 miles an hour, swerving back and forth in their lane. Flashers are coming on, flashers are going off. Everybody around us is going 70, 75. They can't maintain their lane. It's a silver Nissan SUV with a temp tag on it. Yes, like a Nissan Rogue. I don't know if they're injured or what's going on, but something weird's going on. Is a kid driving? I don't know. Now I'm following them. I'm behind them in an 18-wheeler, so nobody runs to the back of them. Okay, yeah, because somebody's going to run to the back of them like at 70 miles an hour while they're going about 25. I just had a truck almost blow them off the road. Shymon, S-H-Y-M-O-N, coming up on Oak Grove Road. That's a construction zone coming up. 832 748. Construction zone. Hopefully I'm doing anything crazy. Okay, now I got the blinker on. Yeah, I don't know if it's a kid driving or they have some kind of health issue, or sometimes they have their flashers on and sometimes turn them off. They're just maintaining 20 to 25 miles an hour. Okay. Okay, sweet. Sure, thank you. All right, guys. So they're sending somebody out here. Thankfully, they didn't hit nobody in the construction zone here. What are you doing? We're going 20 miles an hour, car. Ugh. What are you doing? Come on, cop, where are you at? I need somebody ASAP. Okay, I think there's a cop behind me. All right, they're getting over. Watch it, person. There's a car coming. Ah! Person, slow down, please. Oh, gosh, man. What in the world? What are you doing? God, man. Person, like, what in the world are you doing? All right, cop, where are you at? Come on, we need somebody. What are you doing? You trying to exit? Watch it, please, watch it, please, watch it. think there's a cop behind me. I see some flashing lights. I don't know if it's a cop or what. Please be a cop. Please, 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 please. No. Dang it, not a cop. Man, what is going on? Yeah, guys, I hope y'all are seeing this. Like, this is wild. If I don't stay behind them, somebody's gonna run them over. Especially if they don't have flashers on. All right, they're speeding up a little bit. All right, now they're speeding up. You'd think there'd be more cops in the area. Oh, now they're slowing back down. Okay, now they're speeding up. Please don't try to get over. Come on, cop, where are you at? Come on, where are you at, cop? Come on, person, just maintain your lane. Come on, or just please get off the interstate. Like, what is going on? Speeding up a little bit. Come on, man. What are you doing? Fort Worth, this is ridiculous. Y'all should have more police officers out here, you know, for stuff like this. Come on, man. All right, there's a break in cars behind us. There's absolutely nobody behind us, so we got a bit of a break here. Okay, yes, I think they're exiting. Wait, are they exiting or what is going on here? Okay, they're exiting. All right, good, 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 good. All right, car behind me, slow down, slow down. Come on, man. Where are the cops? All right, now what the heck is going on over there? What the heck is going on? Yeah, I can't see. The windows are too tinted. But at least they're off the interstate. At least they are off the interstate. All right, y'all. Let's get to this truck stop. What a night. I don't know what was going on with that person, but I couldn't just... I followed them for a good little while because first they had their flashers on, so I'm thinking, oh, okay. Maybe they had a flat, something happened. You know, they're just trying to get off the interstate. And after they passed up those two exits, I'm like... But yeah. It happens more often than you think, guys. It happens more often than you think. Had I not followed them, and that traffic, that Dallas traffic, man, there is no joke. They're no joke out here. They were going about 20 to 25 miles an hour. And everybody around them's going 75. And there was almost an accident a couple of miles before that because there were some wreckers in the far right lane. I guess they were trying to block off the two right lanes. And people didn't see it, and they almost ran to the back of them. People slamming on their brakes and stuff. They would have ran that person over. Like, I don't know if they were drunk, elderly, some kind of medical emergency, which it didn't seem like it. I don't know, y'all. Be safe out there. Please be safe out there. But I don't know what that was all about. But anyway, we made it out here to Weatherford, Texas, just west of Dallas in Fort Worth. We wanted to get past all that, so we won't have to worry about that traffic tomorrow. We're about 4 hours away. That whole deal with the car, the SUV, Nissan thingy, that delayed us about 10 or 15 minutes, but it is what it is. At least they hopefully made it to their destination safely. Hopefully. Prayerfully. But, yeah, I'm going to go here and take a shower at this Pilot out here in Weatherford. We're about 4 hours away, so we'll get there, get snatched off. And I do have a $9,200 a week planned out for the rest of the week. But you all have to stay tuned for that. Hopefully it works out. Like, this technically doesn't deliver until Thursday. Today is Tuesday. We're going to try to get off tomorrow, Wednesday. So if they can snatch it off tomorrow, we will have a $9,200 a week in gross revenue before expenses, before LoneStar, before everything. But y'all have to see where we go, where we end up going. It's not ideal, but hopefully we'll make it work. So, guys, thank y'all for watching. Stay safe out there. Please, 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 please stay safe out there. If you see somebody else in need or in you know, don't put yourself in harm's way, but do what you can. Do what you can. That's all I can ask. But let me get in here, shower up, edit, and then try to get some sleep because we have a long few days ahead of us. So, guys, thank y'all so much. My name is Shymon Spencer, and I will catch you guys. Oh, thank you for watching another episode of Grinding Gears. I will catch you guys at noon Central Standard Time on the next episode.